Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to host a movie night on Discord. So first, you need to open your app. Then, click on the user settings icon at the bottom. Now, scroll down and click on activity settings. Then, tap on activity status. Then, click on add it and choose browser which will be used for streaming videos. But for me, I will select Mozilla Firefox. Then, add game button. Now, we have enabled the overlay for the selected browser. Once you set activity status, return to the main window and click on the highlighted screen icon. Now, your selected server is displayed top left of the Discord screen, and you can see the list of all channels inside the Discord server. Switch to any voice channel where you want to start this screen. After doing this, you will be connected to server members on an audio call that can be seen at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, to start the video call for live streaming, click on video button. Now, you can invite your friends by clicking on invite button. You can also share the link with your friends to join the ongoing video call. After accepting the invitations, your friends will be allowed to join the video call. Now, to start the stream, click on the screen from the voice connected entry in the bottom left corner of the Discord app. Now you can change stream channels to stream quality and adjust the resolution and frame rate according to your requirements. After setting this option, click on the Go Live. By clicking on the Go Live button, Discord will start streaming the movie playing in the browser. You can stop the ongoing call by clicking on the highlighted disconnect icon. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.